When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
Guess what? I walked out this morning and it's 63 degrees.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side.
Cooler weather, you are more than welcome here. We are excited for the fall.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
It's funny, the ducks have always been my favorite livestock on this farm. They're just so funny to watch.
Any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
I'm ready for a dairy cow. I am. It's time.
We're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep,
Our beautiful neighbor dropped off these gorgeous tomatoes for us to have. So I thought, yeah, spaghetti tonight.
no limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Up these beautiful cucumbers from the farmer's market back in our hometown, and so I'm trying my hand at making some homemade pickles.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Adding some fresh garlic, oregano, salt, pepper, and anything else I can get my hands on to add to the spaghetti sauce for tonight.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
And because I was going to have all 4 kids home for dinner tonight, decided to make, of course, cheesecake.
You and I can weather any storm.
A little drizzle of local honey just to make it a little more sweet.